Hi, if you're seeing this, I have no, the universe has a message for you. This goes to all the chosen ones. Right now, if you feel that you are being attacked or being judged by others, it's not because you are weak or because you are not at the same level as them, but more of because you are being revealed now by the universe, by the divine, by the Lord. You are being revealed not because you are weak, but because you are different. You are here to set new boundaries. You are here to guide more lives. You are here to change the traditions. Do not feel betrayed. Do not feel attacked. Do not feel that you are always the bad person or the bad judgment. This is your time. This is your time. You are now being revealed for a greater cause. You are being revealed because you have learned so much. You have experienced a lot of things and you have overcome it. It is normal that everyone will get jealous of what you are, especially when you're reaching your goal in life. But do not put anger on your heart. Huwag mo silang sisihin. They do not know. Just like what happened to our dear Son of God. Diba? Most of the time people will not understand. People will get mad at you for what? For just being who you are, for achieving something that you, for them, it's not worth it that you receive it, or you did not work hard for it, not knowing the heartaches, sacrifices that you made. Do not feel that you are being attacked. The Lord is revealing you right now, and it's normal. It's normal that a lot of people will notice you because this is your time. So to everyone right now, to all the chosen ones who's listening to this video, sit tight. Your journey is about to begin, and it will be a very, very interesting and fun, exciting journey ahead. So always remember, you are not being attacked. You are being revealed. Have a nice day. I love you.